Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to stop emergency call on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings, scroll down until you get to emergency SOS and then click on it. Once you click on emergency SOS, you want to go ahead, disable call with hold and press, disable call with 5-button press, and then you should see your emergency call disabled. If you go ahead and press and hold the power button or the side button on your iPhone, the emergency call is not going to be active. If you press the power button 5 times, this is not going to pop the emergency call. You see that? So that shows you have successfully turned off the emergency call on your iPhone. And that's it. So that's exactly how to turn off emergency call on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.